Hi, I'm Manish. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this uh, age parity of 4 by 4, 6 by 6 and 8 by 8. It normally happens in even layer puzzle, and you may face this case wherein in top layer two ages are swapped. So in this case also, if you look at this, here it should be blue and yellow, and here it should be green and yellow, and this is 8 by 8, and here also it should be the same, but it is swapped. So how to solve it? I'll show you two different methods. In first method, there are about 6 moves. So we have to hold it like this. The edges which we need to swap should be in front and back, and we have to hold it like this, and we have to move like this. We have to take two layer, last layer and third layer, and 2u, and now we have to move this layer, middle layer, 2r. Now we have to move this top layer only, 2u. Again this middle layer r2r, again 2u, top layer only, and again middle layer 2r, and now we have to move both the layers. So it is solved. Similarly, in this case, we have to take 3 layers, last layer and 4th, 5th and 6th. So we have to take 3 layers. So 2u, then we have to take 2 layers, I mean not this layer but 2 middle layers, these 2 layers. So 2r, then we have to take only top layer, 2u, again these 2 layers, 2r, again 2u, again 2r, and now we have to take all 3 layers, and it is solved. Okay, in this case we have to take 4 layers, so top 4 layers, so it is 2u. Now we have to take similar, it's the similar steps, but I'll just show you. First we have to take 4 layers, or if it is 6 by 6, then 3 layers, and at last also we have to take 3 layers. So first and last, and in middle we have to take only top layers. So it is 2u, then we have to take 3 layers, 1 2 3, so 2r, and now 2u, only top layer, again 2r and 2u, and again 2r, and now we have to take all 4 layers, 2u. So this is first method. I'll show you another method also. Okay, now I'll show you another method, how to swap these two edges of last layer. So now we have to hold it like this. So we have to keep the edges which we need to swap on left and right hand side, and here it should be, I mean this should be front. So we have to hold it like this, and we have to take 2 layers. So 2u, 2r, only this layer, 2r, then first layer 2f, then again 2 layer, 2u. Now we have to take first layer only, top layer only, 2u, 2f, 2r and 2u. So it is solved. I'll show you in this also. This is 6 by 6, so we have to hold it like, this we need to swap, so right and left, and this is our front, and we have to take 3 layers. So it is 2U, 2R, 2F, 2U. Now we have to take only top layer, 2U, 2F, 2R and 2U. So this is solved. Similarly in this we have to take 4 layers, so 2U, 2R, 2F, 2U. Now we have to take only top layer, 2U, 2F, 2R and 2U. So these are 2 different methods. I'll show you how to solve edge swap which are not opposite but adjacent. So from this edge is here and this edge is here, so how to swap these 2 adjacent edges. Okay, this is another case wherein the edges are adjacent and we need to swap the side by side edges. So if you look at this, so it is not opposite but it is side by side. So how to solve this? So now we have to use a setup move. I'll just show you. This we need to take this 2R down and then like this. So it was here, so it is 2R and D prime, you can say. And now we have to do the same algorithm which we have done in first, we have to use the first method rather. So it is 2U, we have to take 2 layers and then middle layer 2R, 2U, again 2R, 2U and again 2R, and now we have to take both the layers 2U. Okay, now we have to undo the setup move. So D, we did D prime, so D and 2R. So now it is solved. In this case also I'll show you 2R and D prime, and now we have to use from this angle, we have to take this in top and we have to take 3 layers. So it is 2U, then we have to use 2 middle layers, so 2R. Now we have to move top layer only, 2U, again 2R, 2U, 2R and now all 3 layers, so 2U. And now we have to undo the setup move, so D and now R, 2R, sorry. So it is solved. Similarly in this 2R, D prime, and we have to hold it like this and we have to take 4 layers, so 2U, we have to take 3 layers, middle layers, so 2R, then 2U, again 2R, 2U and 2R, and now we have to take all 4 layers, 2U, and now we have to undo the setup move, so D and 2R. So it is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.